Hi, today we are going to learn few simple commands, and the first command we are going to learn is the date command. So if you go ahead and type date and you hit enter, this will display the current time and date. So at the time of recording this video, the date was Friday, January the 2nd, 2015, and the time was 2:06 a.m. So the commands are case sensitive, which means that if you type date with an uppercase D, it will tell you command not found. But this is not a big problem when learning the Linux command line, because actually all the commands that you are going to learn are composed of lowercase letters. So you just have to remember that all the commands are composed of lowercase letters. Okay, so another command which is related to the date command is the cal command. And cal stands for calendar. And by default, the cal command will display the calendar of the current month. So if you type cal and you hit enter, this will display the calendar of the current month, which for me is January 2015. If you want to display the calendar of the whole current year, you'll just say cal space -y, and this will display the calendar of the whole year 2015. You can also specify a year. For example, if you want to display the calendar of the year 1990, you'll just say cal space 1990, and this will display the calendar of the whole year 1990. Also, if you want, for example, to display the calendar of January 1995, you'll just say cal space 1 space 1995. 1 here represents January, because January is the first month of the year. So as you can see, this will display the calendar of January 1995. You can also use cal space -3 to display the calendar of 3 months, which is the previous months, the current months, and the upcoming months. So cal -3 will display the calendar of 3 months, the previous, the current, and the upcoming. Okay, so as you notice, the terminal gets filled up very quickly with commands and output. And if you want to clear up your terminal, you can use the clear command. So if you type clear and you hit enter, this will clear up your terminal, which is very nice. And you'll actually see yourself using the clear command more often, or quite often. Okay, so the last command that we are going to learn in this video is the exit command. And the exit command will simply exit the terminal session. So if you type exit and you hit enter, this will close up your terminal session. And again, I have to stress that the commands are case sensitive. So if you type exit with an uppercase E, it will tell you command not found. So in this video, we learned 4 commands. The first one was the date command, which displays the current time and date. The second one was the cal command, which stands for calendar, and which by default displays the calendar of the current month. We also learned the clear command, which will clear up your terminal. And the last command we learned was the exit command, which simply exit the terminal session. Okay, so that's it for this video.